Here I want to demonstrate SPI Decode software bug. I just started the Rigol oscilloscope and with a decode on the SPI bus. For a comparison test, I have a logic analyzer connected to the board, and it scans all the time, and I have the data 60, 03, 61, 00, 62, 00, and a little hard to see, 63, 00. So, and that is how it looks like now: 60, 61, 62, and 63. I will try to switch off the Rigol again, turn it back on, and now the data is incorrect once again. I go to the Decode menu, choose MOSI, the polarity downwards didn't change anything, upwards changed something. Go back to Indian, choose MSB to LSB, did not change anything. Go back to LSB, and now the data is correct.